Thank you. Mr. Arias is the next speaker in 1.5 minutes.
Madam Chair, Vice President Georgieva, President Caldera, dear colleagues, first of all, I would like to congratulate the rapporteur, Mr. Vaughan, for the work done on the 2014 discharge to the agencies. The budget of the agencies in 2014 is around 1.9 billion euros, and they employ in different capacities almost 10,000 persons. On the positive side, there is an approach toward the introduction of performance-based budgeting in most of the agencies, increasing the level of implementation of the budgets and promotion of their work to the citizens. Nevertheless, there is still a need to improve the principles which would increase the value added and to identify possible improvements to the performance models currently applied in the agencies. Conflicts of interest and transparency within the structures that spend the money of European taxpayers is an important issue. While most of the agencies have taken the appropriate steps, there is still a need for overall improvement in the public sector through a holistic approach. Concerning the communication and visibility, there is a need to the agencies to further strengthen their efforts to improve the communication policies. In order to raise awareness of their activities and achievements, to ensure that citizens are well informed about their work, they should expand their visibility through different social media tools. Despite some discrepancies and needs for further improvement in certain fields, there is a positive change in the functioning of the agencies. We expect a better performance of these structures that are important for implementation of the European Union policies. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ari. The next speaker is Madame Gressler in 1.5 minutes as well.
Frau Präsidentin, Herr Rechnungshofpräsident, Frau Vizepräsidentin! Wir freuen uns, Herr Caldera, dass Sie wieder bei uns sind. Ich möchte mich auch sehr herzlich bei der niederländischen Ratspräsidentschaft bedanken, dass Sie hier waren. Wir haben es nicht oft mit Verteidigungsministern